Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to manage the address bar suggestions in the Firefox mobile browser. If you want to control what Firefox suggests when you start typing in the address bar, this video is for you. Open the Firefox browser app on your mobile phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In top screen, tap on Search. Scroll down until you find the Address Bar Firefox Suggest section. Here you can customize what suggestions appear when you type in the address bar. You can enable or disable suggestions from your browsing history, bookmarks, and Firefox's own search suggestions. Simply toggle on or off the options you prefer to see while searching or browsing. This allows you to personalize your browsing experience and keep suggestions relevant to your needs. Thanks for watching this guide on managing Firefox address bar suggestions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tips coming your way soon.